us! I'm so excited because we are drawing Joseph today. Let's get to work. Start with a short line right down the middle of your paper and a shorter line coming out the side of it. Then connect those 2 points with a curved line around like this. It's a nose! Now, let's draw 2 circles on each side of his nose for his eyes. And go back and add 2 smaller circles inside. Then fill those in. Then on the right side, we're going to draw a long curved line going down like this for his face. Now hop over to the other side and we'll do another line that's almost the same. But stop! Yeah, it's just a short one because we need to add a little ear here, like a little C. Then we can finish our line. Now we can connect those 2 lines across the bottom, almost like a triangle with a little point in the middle. Let's add a smile under his nose. And 3 little dots on both of his cheeks to make some freckles. Now, we'll add some eyebrows above his eyes. Draw 2 filled-in rectangles like this. I think we just need some hair. Do 1 long line across the top of his face with 3 big bumps, kind of like mountains, over here. Then draw another line going back over to the other side. And stop right here like the line underneath. Okay, from the bottom line, add another curved line and connect it to his ear. Now close up the lines with 2 more bumps, like bunny ears. Cool! Now add 1 curved shape behind his ear and 1 more pointy shape like this. Yeah, you drew Joseph! Great job! See you next time. Bye!